Happy Sunday, guys, and this is kind of a last minute video, and I'm doing this really because a couple of friends asked me how I make it, and so I figured I'll do a video. I did a video like I want to say a couple years back, and but it was on like a long-winded talky vlog that, you know, I cringe when I look back on. So I figured, okay, sweet, simple, to the point. I'm going to show you how I make pumpkin French toast. I usually just make it in the fall. It's kind of like one of those October, November treats that my kids look forward to, and Jake is up visiting this weekend, so we're going to make some. I'm going to be using my homemade whole wheat bread that I showed you how to make Friday. I'll leave a link and a card up above, but this is my bamboo wood slicer. Somebody asked me if I use a slicer to slice my bread. I do. I will leave a link to this. I got this on Amazon. Bought it myself, thank you very much. Alright, and here are my slices. So as you see, it slices bread beautifully, nice and even, and there's the bread. So over here in my bowl, I'm just going to add some eggs. For all of us, I'm probably going to add 5 eggs or so. Let me bring this bowl closer. Okay, and then to that, I'm just going to add just a touch of whole milk. And I'm going to give that a good beating. Thanks, babe. Okay, and then to this, we're going to add about between a half cup and 3/4 of a cup of just pumpkin. That's it. You just want 100% pure pumpkin. I think a can has 3 servings, so you want about 1/3 of a can, or a half if you like a lot of pumpkin. All right, so we're going to add that, and then you're going to add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. There we go. Got it to focus for you. Alright, so I measure pretty much nothing when I cook. So there's about a teaspoon. Alright, and then you just give this a whisk, and that's it. Super easy. You can add vanilla to it if you want. You can add anything extra you want to it, but I don't think it needs anything else. Thanks, Maddie, for feeding it up for me. My bursitis is not happy this morning, so change of weather. We had a hailstorm last night.
It was insane.
Took a lot of power out. I had 2 friends that were without power last night. So
yeah, really far north and really far south of us.
Yeah, we were the lucky people in the middle. So, all right. So I'm going to show you how I make this and show you the end result. Super easy. Great way to use up your wheat bread. This is what I kind of do at the end of the weekend with whatever leftover bread I have, and then I make a fresh loaf on Monday morning for sandwiches. Alright, alright, so with my bread, I'm just going to go ahead and very clean, freshly washed hands, dip it and place it. Something that my boys loved about Halloween time and Thanksgiving time, pumpkin French toast. Now I can fit 8 slices on this double burner griddle. People ask me all the time where I bought this. You guys, I've had this for like 20 years. Yeah. I've had this for like 20 years. Oh my gosh, it was like, yeah, it was like one of the first pans I ever bought myself. So, but I think they sell something similar to this at Walmart, don't they? I think. So, you can check there, but it's just a double burner pan. It does fit 8 slices beautifully. So, all right, I'll bring you back when this is done. Okay, and as I finish up on this French toast here, I'm just gonna plate one of them so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so slice of French toast, like so, and then put a little pat of butter on the top, and then we're gonna top it off with some maple syrup. Alright. There we go. And Maddie, you want a taste test?
Sure.
Little guitar fork. Alright, Matt's gonna taste test it for you.
That's really good.
Good? Good family memories.
And even the pumpkin spice, it's not real super strong, you know, it's not real spicy on the tongue.
Yeah.
It's mild with the mixed pumpkin.
So I'm
And the egg
serving
and the
it
milk.
with some fried potatoes with
Potatoes O'Brien almost.
with sweet onion and green pepper and some maple breakfast sausage. And there you have it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share it quickly.
Fantastic.
Just to give you maybe a little, in case you've never tried it, and in case you want to do something a little special on a Sunday morning, like I wanted to today. So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye, guys.